Okay, for section C, question number 26, part A, we have to find the number of terms in an AP whose first and fifth terms are. So first term is minus 14 and fifth term is A5, which is 2. And we know that fifth term is A plus 4B, which is equal to 2. We know the value of A, so minus 14 plus 4B is equal to 2. 4D is equal to 2 plus 14 is equal to 16, which gives us D is equal to 16 by 4, and which is 4. So D is equal to 4 and A is equal to 14. Now it's given that the last term is 62. Let's consider this term as the nth term whose number is not known. So we know that an is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. Let's put in the value of a, which is negative 14 plus n minus 1 into d is 4 is equal to 62. So n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 62 plus 14, which is 676. And n minus 4 is equal to 76 by 4. So this is 4 ones are 4 and 9s are 36. So n is equal to 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. So there are total of 20 terms in this AP. Okay, for part B, we have to find the first negative term, and negative means less than 0. So for part B, as I told you, we have to find the first negative term, and negative means less than 0. So it's the part B, and for this RAP is 65, 61, 57, 53, and goes on like this. So here A is 65 and the common difference is 61 minus 65, which is equal to negative 4. And we have to find the first negative term. So let's say the negative term is nth term, which is negative is less than 0. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is less than 0. So a is 65. We have to find n. D is negative 4 less than 0. So this is n minus 1 into negative 4 is less than negative 65. So negative negative as gets cancelled, this inequality sign changes to this is 4 here. So as soon as we cancel out negative signs, the sign of inequality changes. So the sign of the inequality changes. This is now greater than, and I will let you know. So out of minus 3 and minus 4, we all know that minus 3 is greater. So when we remove this sign, that is the negative sign, now the 4 is greater. So that's how we got this, the inequality sign reversed. So n minus 4 is greater than 65 by 4. So it's 4 ones are 4, 25, 6 are 24, and 2, 5. So n minus 1 is greater than 17.25, and the integer which is greater than, so this is n. So n is greater than 17.25, and we know that an integer greater than 17.25 is 18. So 18th term is the first negative term, and we can also calculate that. So 18 is a plus 17d, a is 65 plus 17 into negative 4. So this is 65 minus 7 4, that is 28, 65, which is negative 3. So negative 3 is the first negative term. And this is also question number 26. And let's move on to the next question.